I'm Claire, and today I decided to take you outside my neighborhood. This is Canary Wharf. Hopefully enjoy the view and then the sunshine as well. So let me ask you, are you still sipping another coffee? And you still feel tired and still feel brain foggy? I understand that because I was there. Like, why am I like this? And then when nothing's technically wrong. There was a time when I felt sharp and unstoppable. I wasn't in crisis, but my energy was inconsistent. And my mind is scattered, and then my body is just like, just don't feel quite right. I tried productivity tools, supplement, and more willpower, but they couldn't just fix my underlying misalignment. And that moment was my wake-up call. I want something sustainable. Then I stopped chasing surface-level hacks and then started working with my body's energy systems before things spiraled into a full-blown burnout or illness. I combined my background in neuro-linguistic programming with the ancient principles of Chinese medicine to build a method for early energy realignment, because I believe prevention is power, not just because it sounded good, but simply because I needed it. I needed to save myself, and it worked. The truth is, your body isn't broken. It's not confused at all. It's communicating consistently. Let tension in your shoulders, the craving, the crash by 3 p.m., the racing thoughts at night. You know what I'm talking about, right? The kind of always on feelings you can't shake. So it's all information. These aren't random. They are signals that your nervous system is taking over long before any medical test will show a problem. You are not broken, okay? You just need to reset your energy patterns naturally. But here is what no one tells you. You can retrain your energy system. You can reprogram mind-body loop, because energy is not fixed. It's learned, and anything that's learned can be unlearned, right? So you can rewire it with intention. I used to have the morning routine, the supplement, the yoga mat, the gratitude journal, but my nervous system was still stuck in a low-level panic. My body knew before my brain did. I'm not okay, but I stopped trying to hack energy, and I started listening. What I found was a system beneath the symptom, a language my body had been speaking all along. I just hadn't learned how to hear it. And that's why I created a light method, a proactive, natural energy reset system designed for high-functioning women who are ready to reclaim their clarity, vitality, and rhythm before burnout takes hold. A light is a blend of a 5-element breathwork and meridian rituals to open energetic flow. NLP-based energy commands to recode the subconscious. Holistic rituals to prevent long-term depletion. This isn't about waiting until you're sick. This is about leading from alignment. If you are a coach, executive, mother, leader, or entrepreneur who wants to stay sharp, grounded, and energized, this is your invitations to heal early and lead from your true energetic rhythm. Inside the Aligned method, I will guide you to rebuild your energy systems using ancient wisdom. And then you also will rewire your nervous system patterns with NL. And then you will restore your natural rhythm. And this is your invitation. Download my free energy reset guide. Also, you can book a one-on-one session with me or join the free energy reset webinar. You'll learn how to unlearn exhaustion, realign your energy, and step into a leadership model built on clarity, not burnout. because your body is speaking to you and I will help you understand its language. So click the link below to download the free ebook, The Energy Reset Guide, and book a one-on-one sessions with me, or join my free energy reset webinar to start replenish your energy. You will learn how to unlearn exhaustion, relearn energy flows patterns, and lead from your deepest alignment. And hopefully you enjoy the view today. See you. Bye.